What's up, Guerreros? How you guys doing? Today we're gonna talk about, my goals. A lot of people are asking me, hey, how big you wanna get? What's your goals? And I tell them, plain and simple, to me, is making myself undeniable. Making myself that fucking solid motherfucker that doesn't break. That's my goal. And the thing about it that I know how to fucking get there. It's just, you can't stop. That's the whole fucking key. I got my best transformation during difficult times. When I was losing my family, when I was fucking just going through a lot of people's heartbreaks, within my family, a lot of people were just out of control. The key here is that I stuck to it. I stuck to my program. I stuck to my daily wake up time, to my meals, to my workouts. Whatever I had to do that day or whatever came my way, I already knew that I had to stick with it. Too many times, a lot of people, they fail to stick to something. That's why it doesn't fucking work out. I've been going on 3 years strong and now I found the fucking answer. The answer is that we can't stop. That's what's going to keep you pushing forward in life. It's going to be helping you in a manner that you're going to be that fucking undeniable person, that unbreakable person. And how do you do that? How do you become undeniable? It starts with mindset, having that fucking mindset, that positive warrior mindset of not taking no for an answer. That's where it starts. A lot of people, their mindset is fucked. They don't even believe in themselves. So you got to start with the mindset. Snap out of that negative mindset. Go into that positive mindset that no matter what, you're going to go and fucking just overcome whatever comes your way. Second is skill set. You got to pick a skill and stick to it. That's where a lot of people, they fall off. They get bored. They don't get the results, or they just want it too fast. A skill is something that you keep doing over and over and over again. So you got to be fucking good at that fucking skill that you pursue, whether it's to get a result that you're after, especially get better health-wise, get financially fucking stable, where you don't have to be living paycheck to paycheck. Third is habits. It's just creating those fucking habits that are going to push you forward, that are going to make you stick to what you got to do. Positive habits is the result of pretty much whatever you want or whatever you're pursuing in life. It's your habits that are going to take you there. So it's going to be a choice. A choice becomes a habit. A habit, it's going to take you to becoming that fucking undeniable man, that unbreakable man. So that's the key. That's what I'm learning. And that's what I tell everybody. What's my, end goal? There is no end goal. I'm just going to keep pushing forward, become that fucking undeniable, and help others become undeniable, and help others get the results they're after. Because I know a lot of people, they're lost. I was there. So I know what it takes to get the results. I know how to lose 50, 60 pounds. I know how to get you a six-pack. Now that I understand how that works, and that the key here is to stick to the fucking goal, to stick to the fucking blueprint, it's simple. It's just having a coach that's going to guide you and that's going to tell you and remind you to sack the fuck up, stick to the plan, and we're going to get you there. Let's go.